how to create unlimited Gmail accounts. So if you want to go ahead and get the idea of how you're going to create unlimited Gmail accounts, it's pretty simple. All you need is just time to do this, and you can do that. So as you can see, I have all these accounts created, but I can create a whole lot more. So obviously you are going to need different browsers for this though. So on one browser, I think max number of accounts are like 10 or something. So you are going to need multiple browsers for that, but you can actually get multiple accounts. All you're going to do is you can see all these accounts that I have. I can simply go ahead and click on add another account. Once I do that, click on use another account, click on create account for myself, add in your first name and all. Okay. Once you add in your first name, simply go ahead, add your month, add your year. Once you do that, add your gender, click on next. Wait, let me just add there we go. Then it's gonna give you an email address. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Choose a password, whatever you like. Once you've chosen that, you're gonna simply add it over here, click on next, and once you do that, that's gonna create an account. It's not gonna ask you your phone number, it's not gonna ask you any external email. If it does, just skip those, and you can create accounts like these going on and on and on in bulk. So yeah, that is how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.